And number 3, to make a bakery signature chocolate muffins, a baker needs 2.5 ounces of chocolate for each muffin. How many pounds of chocolate are needed to make 48 signature chocolate muffins? Okay, so what we have here is for each one, we need 2.5 ounces of chocolate. Okay, but we're gonna make 48 chocolate muffins. So we can start by solving for how many ounces of chocolate we need, right, by setting up a proportion here. And we know it's 2.5 ounces of muffin for each, right? 2.5 ounces of chocolate for one muffin, right? So we can do 2.5 over 1 here, right, on the left side, 2.5 ounces of chocolate for one muffin. And we want to make 48 muffins, so it'll be, we want to figure out how many ounces of chocolate we need, right? So again, today that's x over 48. Okay, so this will be our proportion. You can say 2.5 over 1 equal to x over 48. And to solve for x, we can just go and do a cross multiply. You can cross it over and multiply this out. So it'll be 1x equal to 2.5 times 48. That should be 120. Right, so that means in total we need 120 ounces of chocolate. Right, but we do have to pay attention to the unit here as 120 ounces. But what are the question asking? Right, the question says how many pounds of chocolate do we need? Right, so we do have to do a unit conversion. Right, so we know 1 pound is 16 ounces. So at 120 ounces, how many pounds is that? Right, we do have to do 120 divided by 16. Okay, or we can also set up another proportion. We can say it's 1 pound, right, is 16 ounces. Right, we want to know how many pounds, right, for 120 ounces. We can also do it like a proportion. So we'll just say it's like 1 over 16 equal to x over 120. Okay, we can cross multiply again. So we get 16x equal to 120 and divided by 16. Yeah, so eventually we should get 120 divided by 16. Okay, we get 7.5. Right, so 7.5 pounds of chocolate. That's how much do we need. Right, so letter A will be our final answer for this one.